Ladies and gentlemen, let's do maths. But before we get to this linear equation, first things first, if you are having a tough time with the topic linear equations and linear inequalities, then you should go to my YouTube. I have a 6 video playlist where I went through all of the topics under equations and inequalities, right? Solving simultaneously, literal equations, word problems. I went through it all. You guys should go check that out. But without further ado, let's get into this particular problem. So, first things first, we need to get these mixed fractions into improper fractions. That's the first thing that we need to do. So, to get these into improper fractions, you know the do. What number leaves a remainder of 1 and has 4 going to it once? That's going to obviously be a 5 over 4. Then we're going to have an x minus 1. This is going to be a 3 over 2. And this is going to be a 3x plus 2. And this is going to equal a 0, right? And I don't need to tell you that a 5 over 4 is the same thing here as an x minus 1 over 1. I don't need to tell you that it's the same thing. You already know that. I know you already know that. You don't need me to tell you that. And we like to make things simple here. We like to make things simple. If we make things simple, we're going to have a 5x minus 1 over 4 minus 3x plus 2 over 2 equals 0. We're going to multiply by the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple in this case is a 4, right? So 4 cancels 4. We're going to have 5x minus 1. And this is going to leave a 2. So we're going to have a negative 2, 3. 3x plus 2, right? Equals 0 times 4 is obviously going to be a 0. And then here we're going to have a 5x minus 5. This is a 6. This is a 6. I know you know a 2 times a 3 is a 6. Negative 18x plus negative 12 equals 0, right? We're going to have a positive 5, negative 18. That gives us a negative 13x equals negative 5, negative 12. That is a negative 17. Bring it on this side. That's a positive 17. X equals negative 17 over 13. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, you have solved this question.